What if I told you that the single most powerful thing you could do for your confidence, your relationships, and even your mental health costs you absolutely nothing? Most people over 50 are unknowingly doing something every single morning that slowly erases them from the room. And the worst part? They think they're being practical. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share isn't about fashion, it's about psychology. And it might change the way you see yourself forever. Number 1, the quiet surrender we don't even notice. Let's be honest with each other for a moment. As our bodies change, there's a quiet, almost invisible shift that happens inside many of us. We stop choosing. We start settling. The dark, loose, comfortable outfit becomes the default. We tell ourselves, I'm past that age. Who am I trying to impress? And here's the thing. That feeling is completely understandable. It's human. When the world starts reflecting an image back at us that we don't fully recognize, the instinct is to retreat, to shrink, to become background. And so, slowly, without even realizing it, getting dressed in the morning stops being an act of intention. It becomes just another thing to get through, another box to check before the day begins. And when that happens, something small but significant is lost. But what if that instinct, as natural as it feels, is actually working against you? Number 2, your clothes are talking to your brain. Here is what researchers at Northwestern University discovered, and this is the part that stopped me cold when I first read it. They found that what you wear directly influences how you think. They called it enclothed cognition. Your clothing doesn't just send a message to the world, it sends a message to your own brain. When you dress with intention, your brain registers it as a signal. I matter today. I'm showing up. Think about that for a second. Before you've spoken a single word, before you've done a single thing, you have already told your brain whether today is a day you matter or a day you're just getting through. This isn't vanity. Vanity is dressing for applause. This is something entirely different. It's dressing as an act of self-respect. It's an anchor, a daily, deliberate reminder that you are still here, still vital, still worth the effort. And here's the question no one asks. If you stopped sending that signal to your brain, what signal is filling the silence? Number 3, the energy you carry decides how the world treats you. Now here's the part most people never connect. Your internal signal doesn't stay internal. Human beings are extraordinarily sensitive to energy. When you walk into a room carrying the invisible weight of "I've let myself go," people feel it before you say a single word. Not because they're judging you, but because you're projecting it. And that energy shapes every interaction that follows. The conversation that doesn't quite get started, the opinion that gets talked over. The moment where you felt unseen and couldn't quite explain why, the opposite is equally true. When you walk in, grounded, put together, and intentional, the room responds differently. People make eye contact longer, they lean in, they take you seriously. You are not becoming invisible because you're older. You are becoming invisible because you've decided to be. And the extraordinary news is that decision can be unmade. This isn't about clothes. It's about choosing yourself. Here's what I want to leave you with, because this is the part that truly matters. This is not about buying a new wardrobe. It's not about trends or looking younger or impressing anyone. It's about the quiet, profound joy of choosing yourself every single day, of opening your closet and asking, what reflects who I actually am right now? Not who you were, not who the world expects you to be, but you, today, fully alive. That shift from passive to intentional ripples into everything. How you carry yourself, how you speak, how you love, how you show up for the people around you. You've earned every year of your life. It's time to dress like it. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And in the comments, tell me, when was the last time you dressed just for yourself?